Yo, you guys hear me? Yo, 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 yo. Who's in the stream? Who's in the stream? Alright, look, chat. So basically, we got this setup right here. We're trading Solana. Um, and we already entered the trade. We have stop loss up here, 243. Stop loss 243-ish. And then take profit is like 236. Um, and we filled our order around 241. But looking at the chart, we have to hope that it goes downwards because if the price keeps going up, we're gonna lose 50 bucks. We're risking 50 bucks to win $100 here. Um, 1 to 2 ratio. The only thing, okay, good, it's going down. Hopefully it gets filled and goes straight down and dumps because Solana's been up for a while, dude. And honestly, we can do a really if we can get a good trade, if we can win this trade and we can win $100, that would help our challenge account because we've been down lately. Hold up, let me turn that off. But there we go. I think that's good. But yeah, we've been down lately. Um, when it's came to challenge, we've been down. And what do I mean by this? I mean like, hold up. Is there still a thing actually like showing on my screen? Bro, what the hell? There we go. But look, so basically, I use Breakout as my firm, and basically Breakout, they give you so you take a challenge. I did the $5,000 one, and you have to do two steps. So first step, um you just have to make $500 and you'll get the account. If you're doing a two-step account, you have to make 250 for the first target, and then for the next target you gotta do 500. I haven't even passed phase one. I'm still on phase one, which is trying to hit $250 because I did two step. So I have to profit this much, $250 to pass phase one to get to phase two. And if I can beat both of these phases, I can get this account. Like I can get a live funded account with real money. But right now I'm just doing the challenge. I paid 50 for the challenge and I've lost so far, like I've already lost 250, so that's not good. But after learning how to trade better, I think I could possibly recover. It's just yeah, I don't know. I'm not the best trader. But like I said, right now we're trying to follow this downtrend movement so that hopefully we can make a good trade. Hopefully we can win this trade. So if it does somehow stall straight up, we're gonna end up losing $50. Um, if it goes in our favor, we're gonna make $100. So or $70. So it just depends where it goes. I wish I bought right here because right here is it looks to me like an order block because this is where all the people that are doing short sellings are gonna short sell right here, short sell right here, and then it's gonna go down. Um, and then if we like compare like two pairs next to each other, um, Because here's the thing. If we compare two pairs next to each other, hold on one second. What did this guy say? But yeah, SMT. Hold up, where's SMT? Oh, this is Solana's chart right here. But look, we're forming lower highs right now. See? I think the market's gonna go down because it's already gone up so high for Solana, and I'm not saying Solana can still pump to $300 a share, but I think there's gonna be some sort of small decline to the downside for, I would say, 236. I think the price could hit 236 on Solana, and then it could probably retrace back up, but I think it could go down to the downside for a little bit. Because if we look on breakout, slow account right here. Okay, look, this is all order blocks. Look at this. They're filling all the orders, bro. All the short sellers, bro. They're literally just gonna get like everyone's gonna get screwed, bro. People that are trying to go long, bro, are going to get so screwed. Let me look at XRP pair. It's a 310. What's the all-time high? 313 for today. Today's all-time high. Today's all-time high is 314. Damn, 314 for the 314. It's at $3.09 almost. So this pair, XRP, and then Bitcoin. I want to compare Bitcoin with Solana to see if I can use a SMT. SMT. Okay, they're both confluencing right now to the downside. Sorry, I'm trying to think. Here we go here. Yeah, so Solana's pairs. These are Solana's pairs. Okay, so right now, the only way for this to break structure and keep going upside would be if it broke right here, 343 to 343.66, and clearly, as you can see, it just got rejected. So, I mean, like I said, I think that here we go, massive nice red. Okay, so we're down $20, but we need to make money here. So essentially, I took a trade down here, right? I entered right here on this rectangular area because I thought, hey, if I entered right here as a short, um, right about at the top of this rectangle line, if I entered right here, it would be a good enter because it would be a breakout structure going to the downside, meaning that the trend would start going downwards. That's why I put a trend line, right? Supposedly, it kind of got faked out and went straight back up, but that fake out could just be an order block, um, an order block confluence, meaning that basically, um, when it pushed up, all these orders are getting filled by short sellers with their limit orders, and then it's going to go straight back down to the downside, like straight down. Um, because this green candle and this green candle are order blocks, I'm pretty sure, which are basically like demand zones where short sellers or long positioners are entering. And the reason why people enter here is because, well, they want to get the best price before the price sells short. If they're going to sell short, they want to enter up here so that they can make even more money and have the best chance. So there's a bunch of people probably putting short sell limits right here. And that's why whenever people try to buy, it's just getting pushed more down. So which is good. It's good because for our trade, we want to hit 236. That's our goal. If we can hit 236, um, we can basically make a profit. If we hit 3, we're gonna lose $50 though. So what I don't care because this is just risk management, and I've been trying risk management. So what does that mean? It basically means that if I lose $50 here on this trade, that's the max I can lose. I can't lose more than that. So I'm not playing this as a casino anymore, even though I was before. I'm actually using risk management now, and not emotion trading, because that's just stupid. Um, Hold on. So Bitcoin pairs with Solana pairs. Yeah, dude, they look identical, dude. They're both kind of doing the same exact thing. You have kind of like a little sweep down here, failing to break above here, still can barely even go up and just fall straight back. And then you have these lower highs and lower lows. Solana is starting to form the lower high, lower lows, all the way from starting here straight out down to here. And so it's gotten here, going up, going back down. It's probably, if it can break under this resistance, that's gonna be really, really good for me. This is actually the level right here I entered. I entered right under here because I thought it was just gonna start dumping, which is still a good enter. But if we go here, I'm not really sure where it's gonna go. I mean, I think it's gonna go down, obviously, but just gotta wait because um. But yeah, it's good. The good thing about MFT, or what's it called? I don't even know what it's called. Oh, SMT. Yeah, SMT with like the tied pairs. Um, that's so SMT is usually when a one pair is different from the other pair, because usually these pairs usually match. Like Bitcoin and Solana usually match up, and you don't really want SMT. Sometimes you want to use. Hold on. We've already seen a lot of displacement. This is that straight massive red candle is displacement, which is good because that usually means. So this is how I think of it, right? You look at liquidity sweep right here at the top of the all-time high today. Okay, cool. You go up here, you see another liquidity sweep above this wick. It's another sweep to the downside. And then you get this massive red candle, green candle, and then the red, massive red. And so this is the fair value gap kind of thing, sort of fair. It's not the best fair value gap, but it's a decent one. Following up with the red candle, that straight massive red is displacement, which means that usually it turns into a downtrend, and then the green going up, and then the red's going. So we're just gonna have to follow the trend now because that's how we're gonna win the trade. If we don't follow the trend, we're gonna lose $50. We're already almost about to lose $50. We're down $30 right now, so we just gotta hope that price starts tanking, because if price goes above 243, we're screwed because we're selling short, so we're betting on it to go down. And I mean, if I want, I could also probably break even if I wanted to, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna definitely make some sort of profit on this trade. I wanted to go for a 1-2 ratio, but if I have to go for a 1 to 1.5, I'll still do that. But we're gonna have to see where this goes, because I might enter another trade after losing this. I either lose or win this trade. I'm probably gonna lose it now because I entered it. I forgot to wait for the order block, which I might write that down. Missed the order block. Missed an opportunity. Entered too early. Must wait for order block. Well, yeah, like I said, look at all these order block. Like you see the three lined up. What is that even called? What is it called when it's three lined up candles? Wick top, wick bottom, that filled middle. I don't even know what that's called. What's that called for the trading thing? Oh my god. Liquidity grab pattern, or what some call an equal high low sweep. Uh, well, it's good for me, I'm guessing. Price is consolidating so hard right now. Okay, now it's going down. Okay, good. Bro, I swear, price be tweaking out, bro. Like sometimes, bro, it will literally tweak, bro. Let me go to my YouTube. But yeah, hopefully I pass this test, bro. I'm trying to pass my funded account. Let's do on. I'm not gonna do that, my bad. Play some songs really quick.
Just by thinking.
Sorry. But yeah, I think we're looking at a good spot, especially with pairs. Look, we're forming lower highs. This is really good. Lower highs on Bitcoin. We're pushing back down Solana, which is the pair we're trading. These pairs are kind of matching, sort of. But this is where this is where the pairs don't match, I don't think. I don't know, but we're trading this. It is tank, bro. This is a consolidation phase. All this right here, all these like candles are all order blocks just getting filled. It's gonna go down, bro. Let's go back to our breakout thing, breakout portal. All right, let's go. We're down $25, but if we're down 50, we like lose. All right, let's go. Come on. Okay. Alright, I think we're looking good because it should go straight down. But we entered down here though. We tried entering here because we were missing out, bro. Hold on 1 second, I gotta get my phone out. Bro, we gotta go all the way to 236 to take profit. I might honestly take profit earlier. I might do a 1.5% win instead of trying to win 2% because we entered kind of early. We should have entered like later and waited for price to go back, like cause price went back up, so we should have tried entering here. That's what I'm learning. I missed an opportunity, which I forgot to wait for the order blocks or the retracement. I should have waited, but still I'm learning, bro. Because here's the thing, the price It's been consolidating, bro. All this, bro. People are just trying to push it up, but they're not gonna be able to. This is just a whole bunch of order blocks, bro. That's another order block.
Okay, here's a video of what fire looks like in zero gravity.
Oh.
Yes, sir. Let's go. Yes, sir. Alright, we gotta go down, bro.
Grammarly is like having a personal writing coach, but cheaper. I use Grammarly's AI features, and suddenly I'm the most secure.
companies have spent $1 trillion on AI. Wow. But very little work has actually gotten automated. What's missing?